Just throw coffee on the candles, the repellent factories will go crazy with this video. To start our tip, we will need a candle. With the help of a vegetable peeler, I will remove the white part. We will only need the wick of the candle for this tip that we will make. Tell me if you have any homemade tricks to scare away insects, I'd love to know. After I started using in my home, I never had problems with mosquitoes, flies, and even cockroaches. It's really impressive how efficient it is. I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me for teaching this. For the next step, we'll need some coffee. You can use the brand you prefer. I will add the coffee inside a cup until it is completely full. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to David Rodriguez from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Here I am using a spoon to arrange the coffee evenly inside the cup. Guys, I do it myself all the time in my house. I'm sure he'll get into your routine just like he got into mine. Now with the help of a toothpick I will make a hole in the coffee. It is in this opening that we will put the wick of the candle that we took earlier. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love the result of this tip. You will never need to spend money on those expensive repellents sold in conventional markets. It's easy and quick to make your own natural repellent, there's no reason not to. To increase the efficiency of our product, I will add some cloves. You can use the amount you prefer, this part is to taste. They have an odor that when released scares away all kinds of insects, especially mosquitoes and flies. Best of all, they also perfume the whole environment with a light and natural smell. Now just light the wick of the candle to start using our tip. You can use this natural repellent in any environment. I mainly like to put in my kitchen and in my bathroom. Since we only use natural products to make our candle, you do not need to be afraid to leave it indoors. It won't do any harm to your plants or your pets. See how easy it is to protect your home from unwanted insects? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.